Good morning, everybody. Today is February the 15th, and me and Sam, are on Cherokee Lake today. Pretty good ways up the river. We put in Porterville boat ramp. I've not been on Cherokee in 24 years, and that was on the lower end around the dam, striper fishing, smallmouth fishing. So this may be a bust today. You may not see a video of this, but we're going to try. I've got, I mentioned there a couple weeks ago that I've been in contact with Phil Hunt from PH Custom Lures, and we're going to kind of partner up there. I got some baits in the mail from him today, so we're going to try some of them, some of his balsa baits. I've got the Skinny P tied on right now. Going to give it a try up here in this shallow water, see if we can get hooked up with something. I've also got some Laurel River Pro lures, rock crawlers tied on, and one of Shane's Little Johns. We're going to give that a try up here in this shallow water, and if we don't go no good, we'll back up and hunt. Stay tuned. Fish, finally. Yeah.
I was gonna say it was raining, but I couldn't really catch more than one fish, right?
Yeah.
Really good.
Terrible.
Yeah. I kind of like the riding myself.
All right, guys, I finally caught a largemouth. I don't know, he's 15, 16 inches. That's on the Field Secret. Little PH Custom flat side bait called the Field Secret. That color is Gunnersville Crawl. Thank you, Lord.
Who would have thought? Got a fish. Just had to get my ring machine out and reel it in. Try to catch a couple more. Oh, hold on. There you go.
I hope. Thank you, Lord.
Go on fishing. Follow my fixings and all that. And I got a high-tech ring machine. Keep me said I'm working for a tank of gas after church tomorrow. You know what tank it's going to be, right? True tank of gas. Might get me all the way to Main Street and back. It might get me the true tank of gas. Or you think it'd make me all the way to Douglas? You can get me 5 to 6 hours worth of gas. What are we doing now?
I caught another fish, so I don't want to use blabbing. There you go, guys. The bait's hung in the net, came off in the net. Another one on that Phil's Secret from PH Custom Lures in Gunnersville crawl color. Fish are pale in this muddy water. Thank you, Lord. All right, you can go back to blabbing now. we might be on to something here now, Sambo.
What?
We might be on to a pattern here.
What's that?
Figuring out what the fish are doing. Alright guys, I finally got that bait out of the net. That's the little bait I'm talking about, little balsa flat-sided crankbait. Good Lord, I hate gloves. I'm not actually sure how deep this bait runs. I'll have to check and see. Get it out of my glove, I'll show it to you here. There it is. Little flat-sided PH Custom Lures. It's called Phil's Secret. It's a balsa crankbait. 2 fish on it in just a few feet. After not having a bite all day, we might have finally figured out where they're at and what they're doing.
Well, that was... What is that?
What do you think it is? It's a nice fish. There we go, guys. There's one on the Laurel River Pro Little John. Nice smallmouth. If we can get it out of the net. Dadgummit. There's a nice smallmouth on the Laurel River Pro Lures Little John. Not sure what color that is, some kind of red craw, I can't remember. Pretty nice fish. Pretty nice Cherokee smallmouth. Just wait on him right quick. Two pounds, 14 ounces. 2 ounces shy of a 3-pounder. Not a bad fish.
How many fish have we caught so far?
3.
We're probably doing good. What time were you planning on leaving?
No.
You want to keep fishing some more or what?
Hold on a minute, buddy. Thank you, Lord.
What is that?
What do you think it is? It's a nice fish.
Oh yeah.
There we go, guys. There's one on the Laurel River Pro Little John. Nice smallmouth. If we can get it out of the net. Nice smallmouth on the Laurel River Pro Lures Little John. Not sure what color that is, some kind of red craw, I can't remember. Pretty nice fish. Pretty nice Cherokee smallmouth.